There are numerous benefits to creating this outdoor space in conjunction with the indoor space. We built and remodeled this unit almost 6 years ago in 2016. We completed it, and then we did phase 1 hardscape landscape in the front. And now, 6 years later, we built this pavilion here. And this is the final phase. There's also going to be a really nice fountain, really cool rock under there that will go here. All this will be filled with rock. We have heaters in place. We have our low voltage Wi-Fi controls, Wi-Fi extension out here, which will control the speakers. We have Wi-Fi controlled switches. We have all our lights here. Here's our switches. Flip them on. Light goes on. We have our chandelier light, and then our lights out here as well on all 4 sides. That's all installed. We have our beams all coated in the marine grade paraffin oil. We have them capped with the metal. Everything's turned out real good. We have our smooth acrylic finished stucco to match the existing residence. We have the same standing seam roof over top there. This is designed to have that open feel. So it's not a rain-friendly pavilion. It's made more to have that semi-shade, semi-sun feel. And then out here, during the nighttime, winter months, you have this really nice fire feature. There will be some nice furniture here, nice table there. So what you get here with this indoor to outdoor living space is an additional 1,000+ square foot. Actually, I think this is about 250. There's another it's over 1,000 square foot of additional living space coming out of the living room. So whether it's a nice summer sunny day or it's the winter, this outdoor space is fully prepared for outdoor living because of the heaters that we added in both locations. So even in the winter, this will be a highly functioning, great outdoor space. So you get all this space without doing the addition, and that's not as costly, it's not as time consuming, and it's not as troublesome as going through the whole process of doing an addition, but yet you're gaining all this space. All of it is really living space. So that's why I love this indoor to outdoor living space extension. Much easier to do, and it looks great. We got Ricky finalizing the lights here, upgrading all those to a warmer light. That's gonna be much nicer once that's done.